Hi everyone! I recently did a video about making static HTML sites with Cactus, so I thought I'd make a video on deploying to S3 using Cactus's command line tool. First, let's do some definitions. AWS stands for Amazon Web Services and encompasses dozens of services that are well worth looking over at some point. S3 is AWS's static file hosting service, and it's a great place to store files that don't change, like images, CSS, or HTML files. Let's get started. You're going to need an AWS account. Fair warning, even if you use the free tier, I've had students ask for credit cards at some points during this process, so keep that in mind. Anyway, go ahead and create an AWS account and then go to the dashboard. Under Services, search for IAM and select IAM roles. IAM roles are used to manage access to your various AWS services. As I said, there's a bunch. You want each role to have exactly as much power as it needs and no more. Basically, you want to give the toddler a flashlight to look under the bed, not a flamethrower. Let's create the IAM role for managing S3. From the IAM dashboard, select Users on the sidebar and then click Add User. Give your user a sensible name and give it programmatic access to AWS. Next, select Attach Existing Policies directly and search for S3. Check Amazon S3 Full Access and click Next. Make sure you have the right name and permissions and create your user. On the next screen, you'll see that your IAM user has been created and that the user has two keys. Keep this page open because we'll need both of those. In your Cactus site directory, do a build to catch any of your latest changes and then type Cactus deploy. You'll be asked for a bucket name and your AWS access key and your AWS secret key. You'll get both of those keys off of the IAM user page. Finally, if the S3 bucket doesn't already exist, you'll be asked if it should be created. Say yes, and Cactus will get to work. And you're done. Your site will be live on S3 at the URL the script outputted. If you do more updates to your site, Cactus has saved your credentials and bucket names to config.json. That way, the next time you do a push, you won't have to enter in anything new. And that's all I have for now. I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up in the comments or track me down on Twitter. Bye!